Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to increase icons and font size on your Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here or your start menu, right click on it and then go to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to system. So click on that. Then it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And then under where you have your change the size of text, apps, and other items. So click on here and then you can choose 125%. And immediately you choose that, all icons and everything is going to automatically increase and scale up, just like what you see right here. So if I simply minimize, then you see that I go back to my desktop, you see that all my icons here has increased in size and the text also has fully increased. If you want to go back to your default, simply bring out this window, go back from 125% and back to 100% recommended by Windows PC, and you'll be back to your normal font size and your normal icon size, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.